Right guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we're still on the Corsa. The interior is still looking dirty, so is the exterior. If you go out here, you can see the exterior is absolutely bad. I'm not going to show you the number plate, just because the car has sold. The customer's aware of the bonnet hinges, and as you can see there, the car's absolutely pitted. The car has sold, and sold like this. So the story behind this one is, it's someone I know, but they've also been watching my channels, and they currently had a Corsa. So what they've done is they've asked me if they can take this Corsa. Sorry, they had a Honda, and they've asked if they can take the Corsa and give me the Honda. So we're trying to work a deal out on that. But what we're doing is we're selling this one separately, and we might end up buying the Honda. Now the story behind the Honda is it's from Copart as well. So it could be car number 3. It is purchased from Copart. Just the person who got it can't fix it. They've been watching the videos on this and they really enjoyed it. I know the car's repaired to a safe standard, and obviously they know me as well. So they have said, can we just take the car? The car has got its MOT, as you're aware. It's completely done out inside now. There's nothing wrong with it. We'll just quickly put the seatbelts forward. All the bulbs, everything was replaced. MOT passed with the advisory that you're aware of, just the front discs. Again, that's now to worry about. Customer is happy. Main thing is customer's happy, and we know they're safe. So in that sense, we've got nothing to worry about. I'm just sorting the belts out. No, they went on the back, so I'm just sorting that belt out there. Put it right, and as you can see there, it'll plug in nicely to there. Car does need a valet. Again, like the Astra, this is gone. We haven't managed to valet it, but we're not going to complain. We haven't made a big profit in this car, just because the parts were extremely expensive, and with it being a friend, I don't want to charge them a lot. You know, you've got to look after your friends and your family. That's what I do anyway. But this one's gone. It is an absolutely brilliant looking car. I'll just show you the boot. Try not to get the reg in. So that's the rear, that's the old air sensor, we don't need that. We've got the undertray. Obviously the car's pitted, but the customer's happy to get it clean themselves. It's got a brand new tyre on it there. All the jacking kit, which is just in there. Customer's more than happy, and I don't have a long time to make the video because the customer's literally here right now. I just wasn't expecting it to go, but we've made a little bit of a profit, and we can get on to car number 3. Now guys, please make sure you like, share and subscribe, because it significantly helps me. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments, and I'll make sure I help you out. Thank you.